If you want to get AI dynamic wallpaper on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings you should be able to find the personalization option, so we should be able to select it over here, and then we can find AI dynamic wallpapers. Now over here we have a couple of examples that are available straight away, so you can just choose whichever one you would like to use. And then you should be able to see a little animation which you can easily apply and use on your phone. You can also use this plus button in the bottom right corner, and you can choose a photo that you have available in the gallery. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, and then based on that static image that you select, the AI is going to apply an animation, a small animation. So let's see what will it do, and in my case. You may need to grant access to photos available in here on your phone, so you should be able to, for example, choose something in addition to that. So over here we have additional permissions that we need to go through. So in my case I need to grant the permission to storage, so I'm gonna go to photos and videos and I'm gonna allow everything. There we go, and then we should be able to get the result. You might also need to make some adjustments, so you can choose exactly which part should be animated. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and we need to tap on generate, and then we need to wait for the result. Once it is ready, you can choose if you want to apply it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna choose both, and then we should be able to see the animation. And if you like it, you can of course apply it onto your home screen or lock screen or both, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.